Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video guys, I will show you how to link Instagram link to TikTok bio. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. After you open up your phone, all you have to do now, go and open your TikTok app like this. So now I open my TikTok, as you can see here is it. Now all you have to do now, tap on this section, as you can see now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile like this, now tap on this section which says edit profile, this one. So after you come to this edit profile, as you can see now, tap on scroll to down. As you can see now, if you scroll to down, you can see where it says, as you can see, social. So you can see where it says Instagram. Here is it. So here it says add Instagram. So tap on this section, this add Instagram, tap on it. Allow it now to finish loading. As you can see now, it will take me to my Instagram account. So as you can see now, it will take you to this interface. As you can see now, here is your Instagram. Now it will ask you to type in your Instagram login information. So I'll type my Instagram Gmail or username and my password. So after you finish typing your login information like this one, as you can see, here is my Gmail account and here is my password. So now I'll tap on this login button. So as you can see now, it will ask you to save your login information or not to save it. Just choose one of these options. For me, I'll just go with this, the second one, not now. Allow it to finish loading again. So as you can see now, it says your previous connected TikTok to your Instagram account. Would you like to, as you can see now, would you like to continue sharing your information about your, as you can see now, here is my username. So tap on this allow button. This allow, tap on it. So allow it now to finish connecting your Instagram and TikTok. So as you can see now, here is my username. As you can see now, here is my Instagram username. So now if I tap on this back arrow, this top back arrow, so as you can see now, here is now my Instagram account. As you can see, here is it now. Now I added my Instagram account to my TikTok account. Now whoever now open my TikTok account, he can be able to see my Instagram, and if he tap on this button, it will take him to my Instagram like this one. As you can see now, it takes me now to my Instagram account. As you can see, as you can see now, here is the Instagram account. Now it takes me to my Instagram account. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.